The reason why ProPublica needed to define recidivism more precisely is because they were running an analysis on North Point's algorithm. And so if the definition of recidivism was ambiguous, then it would be unclear as to where in their analysis was their algorithm unfair to their subjects. The first question they asked was what kind of criminal offense may have been committed. And as long as it was a traffic ticket or failing to appear at a court hearing or something similar to that, those would be ignored, so it would not be considered as recidivism. Otherwise, something like murder, assault, they all fall under the umbrella of recidivism as long as we can follow this chart. So if the first question you would ask is, well, was there a jail booking? That basically means that a uniform code reporting code was issued, and as long as that code was indeed issued, then the next question ProPublica asked in defining their definition was, well, did the crime take place after the person was compass scored? Assuming it did, the next question ProPublica asked was, well, does the compass score match the accompanying case? Because there were often times where in their data set they could not match compass score by name because of typos and because of just faulty data. So after processing that by checking cases with arrest dates within 30 days of the compass assessment, they were able to figure out that yes, these compass scores match the correct person. After doing that, they would check to see if the arrest was within 2 years, because North Point's original definition of recidivism was meant to predict scores for people who had committed a new misdemeanor within 2 years. So otherwise it wouldn't make sense to look at compass scores beyond that domain. Assuming all those constraints were indeed met, then ProPublica considered that as general recidivism. And then they further asked the question, well, does the offense satisfy FBI's definition of violent crime? And if it did, they categorized that under violent recidivism. And that is the essence of ProPublica's algorithmic definition of recidivism.